I began my quest for the fastest supercomputer in Nigeria, Africa, and began as a human computer that computed with his brain. Back in St. John's Primary School, Agbor, Nigeria, Africa, I developed an interest in doing the fastest arithmetical computations using only my brain. But I was not fast enough as someone using a computer. I needed to perform the fastest calculations in the world. For that reason, I had to perform the fastest calculations on a supercomputer, or the fastest computer in the world. The supercomputer that was the fastest computer in the world that I began programming at age 19 and on June 20, 1974 in Corvallis, Oregon, United States, was different from the modern supercomputer. To invent is to create something out of nothing. Back in 1974, the supercomputer computed with only one processor or with only one electronic brain. One processor is not fast enough to solve my problems. During the 15 years following June 20, 1974, that I began programming supercomputers, I figured out how to perform the fastest calculations and how to do so across a new internet that I visualized and programmed as a new global network of 65,536 processors, or as many tiny computers. That new supercomputer encircled a globe and encircled it in the manner the internet encircled a globe. The faster the supercomputer, the more problems it can solve. The fastest supercomputer can occupy the space of a football field. I discovered that using only one processor to solve the toughest problems was like putting the wings of a jet aircraft upon an ocean liner.